CD1, Track 30.
Good evening, and thank you for coming to find out about the Hillside Survival School. My name's David Johnson. I started the school and I'm the school's chief instructor. I learned my survival skills while I was in the army, and before starting the Hillside Survival School, I worked in other well-known survival schools. So, first, why do people come on our courses? What are our aims? Well, firstly, we aim to help people to discover nature and the outdoor life, and to remind people that there is more to life than city living. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, we want people to work well as a team and to have fun together. And a lot of people come to do just that. Who comes on our courses? Who are our courses for? Well, the answer is anybody and everybody. We get a lot of groups of colleagues, people who work together like you. The weekend courses are a fantastic way of team building and having fun together, as I said. The courses are also popular with groups of friends who want to do something a bit more challenging than lying on a beach. So, let me tell you about what happens on some of our courses. The most popular course we run is our basic survival course, which lasts a weekend and takes place throughout the year. This course teaches you the basic skills that you need to survive in the wilderness and costs £175 per person. Choose this one and you will have the best weekend you've ever had. If you want an even bigger challenge, our extreme survival course takes place between November and February when the conditions are more difficult. These courses also last for a weekend and cost £195 per person. The Extreme Survival course teaches you to survive in a wet and cold environment. In fact, we aim to give you the wettest, coldest weekend ever. The course offers you the chance to push yourself both physically and mentally. No tents, no gas cookers, just you and the wilderness. You learn to find food and cook it over an open fire. You learn to build a shelter and then you actually sleep in it. It could be the hardest thing you've ever done by far. You won't have the most comfortable weekend of your life, but you will probably be surprised how well you can cope with difficult conditions. Well, thank you very much for inviting me here to your company to tell you about Hillside Survival School. If you're interested in doing any of our courses with a group of colleagues, speak to your manager. You can also pick up a booklet before you go. It includes information about all the courses, prices, dates, and application forms. Push yourself. It really could be the best thing you've ever done. And yes, I think we've got time for a few questions before you all get back to work. Yes, the man at the back. What would you like to ask?